There have been recent scares involving lead found in drinking water across the country.
Sure have. Now a new local tool could help you evaluate your risks. On Your Side investigator Jonathan Walsh joins us now with this announcement from the Cleveland Water Department. Jonathan, people can go right online right now and check this out.
Yeah, it's called the Lead Connection Lookup, and it's found on Cleveland Water's website right here. It helps you determine if there could be city-side lead pipes leading straight into your home.
With reports like this one that came out in June showing thousands of water systems right here in the U.S. are in violation of lead rules, Cleveland Water is helping its roughly 70 communities it serves see what their risks are. The Lead Connection Lookup isn't easy to find on Cleveland Water's site, but from the homepage, click on the tab Your Water. Scroll down to the Water Quality and Treatment tab, then click on Lead Treatment. It explains the Cleveland Water System does contain some city-side lead connections, but in general, if your home was built after 1954 or your connection is larger than 1 inch in diameter, it is unlikely that you have a connection made of lead. Type in your address and the results will come back with likely that you have lead connections, unlikely, or address not found. If your result comes back with a likely result, the department gives you tips on reducing the possibility of lead in your drinking water. To come up with this tool, Cleveland Water said it analyzed its records to figure out where lead may exist on city-side connections.
Now, I want to emphasize, if you get a likely result, that does not automatically mean that you have lead in your water. It's sort of that step in the whole process to figure that out. I'm On Your Side investigator Jonathan Walsh.
Thanks for the help, Jonathan.